is Jia. Today I am at bird show, so let's go inside. So friends, let's go in and I'm very excited. So I'm very curious what bird will do.
Welcome, Mr. SID.
That's right, it's a perfect time and the right place to be. Hello everybody, good afternoon and good evening. Welcome to Street Park Bird Show. My name is Sid and you are?
DJ Cass.
And that one is Mr. Jordan. He's 4 years old, he comes from Australia. They're really beautiful and fantastic. Now did you know a parrot is as clever as a seal and dolphin also? They comparison all the way. Alright, next, right? Alright, let's go Andrew the Giant. Okay, they said the bird is gonna come to do some dancing. I never saw a bird dancing before, but let's see if he can dance better than me. Because I can dance really good. Hey Coco, let's fly now. This is Coco, he come from South Africa, but he was born in Dubai. Yeah? Shake it, dancing.
Okay, kids, mommy, daddy, what can you say about this dancing? Is it dance good? Yeah, bravo.
You like the dancing?
You know what? You better stop dancing because they are laughing at you.
You know, my friend, she will tell you who's dancing the best.
Oh, yeah?
When you meet them,
Say hello in Arabic.
Walaikum assalam to everybody, and we have such lovely kids. What do we say to the kids?
I ask everybody, how are you?
We are good. Coco has got some best friends. Coco, how your best friend sounds like?
Cat?
That's his friend. Which is that one friend runs to catch you?
Dog?
That's good. Coco, how you wake every in the morning? That's a good one. They're really fantastic. Let's clap your hands for Coco. We are playing basketball.
They really like to play basketball because they want to be a part of the NBA superstar, like LeBron James. And he can solve the puzzle with different shapes and colors.
You know, when we talk about basketball, yesterday me and my team was playing with RS team, bro.
Oh yeah?
We won 5-0. He was 0.
For basketball?
Yeah.
Fine.
My team was 5. Their team was 0.
Are you playing soccer or what?
Basketball.
It should be like 50s, they score.
Oh, really? Oh, I don't know. Alright. I know what you're on top. And I want you to hold the ring for me like this, okay? Don't shake the ring. Gia is wearing my favorite color t-shirt, unicorn pink. Now, we're gonna take a little step inside, please. Alright, let's do it. 1, 2, Jackie, let's try to go with it. Gia is holding the ring. Ready to fly? Bravo! You did a good job. I'll give you some sanitizer, Gia. Rub your hand and sit down. Come, princess. 0. I love it. There you go. Okay, watch me now. I'm going to show you how to feed the bird, okay? We have some cherries. The bird will fly to eat the cherries just like this. Good job. You feed and then you close your hand. The bird will fly back to the mommy. That's the trainer. Daddy? Come. Okay, there you go. You're going to take it off low. Daddy. Yeah. Hold it. No. Last time, yeah. Ready to go to go? Ready to take it out? And good job, yes. She likes you close your hand, close your fist, close your fist, yes. That's amazing. Just hold it. She just will calm down. She's been putting it all together. She's just relaxing. So thank you. Sanitizer, man. Good job. Thank you. Let's see who's gonna win. White or green? 1, 2, let's go! These birds are really fantastic. The white bird is called the white crisp cockatoo. The green bird is called the eclectus parrot. The white bird comes from Australia. The green bird comes from Kathmandu. That's awesome. Come on now. There you go. Can you take a guess which one is the boy, which one is the girl in them, in the bird family? Which one boy, which one girl? Black, white, pink and grey. The white cockatoo, it's a little simple to find out the boy and the girl. How? The boy has a black eye. The girl will have a little red eyes. That's how you find out together with them. They're awesome together. It's all the fun and the talent. You know, these birds are really beautiful. They like to eat fruits, nuts, berries. He's using 4 different colors, like colors of the rainbow. Okay, I want you to look and tell me what is he making according to you. What is your imagination? What do you see? Anything. Jia, what do you see? A bird. Okay. Daddy, what do you see? Anything. Maybe something, you know. What? Oh, waves, like tsunami. Alright, that's a big wave. Alright. Mommy, have a look. I want you to guess what is he trying to make. Anything. We're just family. She said bird, gentleman said wave. What do you think? Take a guess. Maybe you're right. Something. Because I think it's a jungle. Yeah? I can huh? That's what? It's okay, anything will help you. Maybe you're right. Something in the world, a fruit, animal. It looks like a parrot. Oh, you mean a group. Okay, now the group of the bird is... Okay, now Jia, we will try... Can we show you other hand? Okay, can we try the other hand because the other hand Mehendi, okay, maybe he's worried. Okay, let's go 1, 2, let's do this. And that's a good job. Look at him, he likes you. They are really amazing. Happy. Take sanitizer. Thank you so much. Oh yes. We'll do one more. Good job. We love to study all the time. Okay, now kids, we're gonna challenge. I'm gonna hide and 2 cups. Now the kids, you will look and tell me where is the ball. Okay? Ready? Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Where is the ball?
Me.
Where?
That side.
Middle. This one? This one?
That one.
They are good. Okay, now elders, this one is for you. Watch out, elders only, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the ball? Where?
Right side. Yes.
Good. Okay, let's go straight. Okay, let's go. He's putting out the music and we'll go straight. Let's go. I know you, bro. I feel you. Where's the ball? Hey, he got it in the middle. Okay, we will do it one more time, okay? This time we're going to need somebody to check. Mommy, come. Yes, okay, she's going to challenge us. Okay, this time I'm not going to help the ball. Mommy's going to help. Please come this way. Okay, the ball is going to be in the middle. I want you to mix, okay? Shuffle, go. Shuffle out. Everybody clap your hands.
Be sure, Mommy, that the ball is not in the same place, alright?
Okay, good job, sanitizer. Thank you so much. Have a seat. Blue, where is the ball? I don't know. If you know, Jia, say in the middle.
Let's talk about the real magic. What's this? Where is the ball?
Right one?
Yes, salam.
Wow, he got it. They are very clever. Okay, let's call the next bird. He's here.
Right? Because cleaning is very important for all of us, so we have to keep our place always clean.
And what do we do after cleaning?
You have to show to the kids your good manners that you have to close the bin always so that the insects will not go inside kids.
And Asim has got a best friend now. Alright, by the way, somebody called me yesterday. They told the camera is not working. They called me from Thailand. Now why do I call him
So friends, this is the last video of Dubai Creek Park Bird Show. So if you can subscribe my channel and like this video, and if you like this video, so please comment below. Done. Okay. So bye bye. We will meet in your next video. Bye bye. Toot, 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 toot.